Okay, welcome to Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Today we have something here. This is steering selector ECU for Mercedes-Benz, the newer ones. It's used one. This one, when you change it, you must program it. If you don't program it, the car will not work. This is the shift selector. That means information come here from the Mercedes-Benz 2006 ML 350. The information come here and it will turn the shifter for you based on the requirement, whether it's park, neutral, reverse, or anything. If you buy a new one, you have to code it and program it. If you haven't used one, you have to unlock it first. If you don't unlock it, it will not work. But you can unlock it. What we're going to do, we are going to use a software called MP Hash. They charge us a token for it, almost $50 a token or something. But there are some programs that you don't need to pay money on it, especially like MO6, Maxi 6. If you have the connector, it doesn't require you to put any token on it. It will unlock it if you have a yearly subscription. Now, I have an adapter. This is an adapter for it. For example, I'm going to click this one here. Okay, let me move this pins. Click one, you know that one. If you have this job, if you have a module like and you need to unlock it, let us know. This is the Bluetooth that we need to use. I'm going to turn the battery supply out. Now start blinking here. I'm going to use my computer, my software. Okay, let me go back. Turn this one on. You need Wi-Fi internet. You have to have account. If this one is on, I will get 3 tokens. You see, anytime I program it, I will lose 1 token. Here, I have engine, I have gearbox, and I have ECU selector. I need to use the ECU selector. Then I will read the software. As soon as I read the software, it will populate in this area that everything is correct. Reading MP hash, MP hash 2. Okay, you see there now, I have everything here now. It's locked. You see? Hold on, I'll be there. Okay, now what it say? It say this module here is locked. The module is locked. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna unlock it. You're gonna see the situation here. You're gonna change after, and the money here, the quotation will go down to 2. If you see token change to 2, that means it's unlocked. And the start here from lock, you see now, here it say what? It become 2. And the start is lock. Now you read it again. We're gonna read again. It changed from lock to unlock. You see, unlock. Case closed, everything is good. We don't need to do anything. If you see my token from 3, it become 2. Hold on. See now my token, it was 3. Now it's 2. You see 2. Thank you for watching Mobile Electronic Diagnostic. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please like, share, and update. Dealer charge. They don't sell this one in New York. If you have a new one, they need to service this by themselves. So now you can buy used one. You can send it to me also. I can unlock it for you. And thank you for watching Mobile Electronic. Please share, subscribe, and like, and help us grow our website and YouTube channel. Thank you.